Today, we're diving into a beginner-friendly rain simulation tutorial using Blender 4.4. It's easy, it's fun, and it looks amazing. Let's get started. First of all, let's prepare your scene. You'll need 4 basic objects: a splash ground, a rain emitter, a raindrop object, a collision plane. Once you've added them, go ahead and name each one for easy reference. Select your collision plane, and in the viewport display, switch it to wireframe mode. This helps you see everything clearly. Now let's create the rain effect. Select your rain emitter and add a particle system. Set the number to 10,000 for a decent rain density. Enable rotation and tweak the randomize setting. Under the render settings, change render as from halo to object, then pick your raindrop object. Adjust the scale for the right drop size. And very important, uncheck show emitter in both the render and viewport sections, so we only see the rain, not the plane. Select your collision plane, add a collision modifier, and check Kill Particles, so raindrops disappear on impact. Add a dynamic paint modifier, and set the type to Brush. Under Source, change the paint type to Particle System, and select your rain particle system. Then enable Use Particles Radius for more accurate splashes. Select the splash ground, add another dynamic paint, but this time set the type to Canvas. Change the surface type to Waves. Then add subdivisions to the mesh. This helps with detailed wave animation. Feel free to play with these settings as you like. Now to bring it all together, go back to the rain emitter under the particle settings and open the cache tab. Click Bake to lock in your simulation. Now we are finally done with the simulation. Let's add now some lights and shadings. And just like that, you've created a beautiful, customizable rain simulation in Blender 4.4. Let me know in the comments if you want more effects tutorials like this. See you in the next video.